Inverness Drive is currently in good overall condition. Drivers will experience only minor surface wear. The pavement does not exhibit significant deterioration requiring major maintenance. The primary concerns associated with Inverness Drive are related to ongoing residential construction projects that transform the street in ways that may affect drivers. For instance, construction activity has impacted the roadway through intermittent increased heavy vehicle traffic, construction debris in some areas, and localized road damage at construction access points. Also, construction vehicles parked along the side of Inverness Drive may create temporary challenges for motorists by reducing available lane width, limiting sight distance, and requiring drivers to carefully maneuver around parked equipment. These conditions may increase the potential for traffic congestion and conflicts between vehicles, pedestrians, and construction activities, particularly during peak work hours. Drivers should exercise caution, reduce speed, and remain alert when traveling through active construction areas to help ensure the safety of all road users. Moreover, Inverness Drive is frequently used by joggers and pedestrians for recreational exercise, making driver awareness especially important. Drivers should remain attentive to pedestrians who may be walking or running along Inverness Drive or crossing at various locations, particularly during the early morning and evening hours when recreational activity is more common.
If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip channel.